Hi guys, JP here. So nandito ako ngayon sa Abukay, Bataan. Kasi isang property that we're selling. Also may isa pa akong pupuntahan sa Earthfield din. So, this one is for sale or for rent. Pero yung sa Earthfield, yun naman ay for sale lang. So let's go. Okay, ito sa entrance, ito siya. Ayan, malaki yung garahe niya guys. And then meron pa siya sa likod. May papakita ko sa inyo. Okay, so ayan, pagpasok mo and then you turn to the right, ayan yung newly built swimming pool. Inayos nila yung exterior and interior, including the windows. Bago yan. Ayan, so pasok tayo dito sa loob. Ganito yung likod. Medyo makalat lang guys, no? Kakatapos ng ulanan. Bali, 4 na rooms to guys. 4 rooms. Again, this is for sale or for rent. Okay guys, so lumipat na tayo sa kabila. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Earthfield Downtown, 4 lanes Balanga, Bataan. Okay, so yung bahay na to, it's being renovated completely. And hindi ko lang muna mapapasok yung loob kasi mas makalat pa siya, inaayos pa siya, no? Sa labas lang muna. And then this one is corner lot guys. Maganda tong bahay na to. Let's check. Okay guys, again, this house and lot is for sale only. Yung tinignan natin kanina na may pool, yun po ay for sale or for rent. Again, complete renovation to guys. Yung bubong niya ay halos yan, naiba na yung bubong niya. Okay, bago na yung kanyang bubong guys. Five bedrooms, isa sa baba, 4 sa taas. 5 bathrooms din siya guys. Okay guys, so that's it. If you're interested dun sa Abukay, Bataan and dito sa Earthfield, Balanga, Bataan, just drop a comment or message us directly. We'll give you all the other information that you will need and you will ask. Bye guys, God bless, stay blessed. See you sa next vlog.